How to reduce video quality in Prime Video. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix your video quality on Amazon Prime app. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Prime Video app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your App Store, in the search box typing in Prime Video, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app if you see an update button there. Once you've updated the app, what I wanted to do is to simply go over and then open up the Prime Video application. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. If you want to reduce the video quality of Amazon Prime, first of all, go to your profile page on the top right corner of the screen, and then again I want you to simply go ahead and then tap on the settings icon. Once you tap on this gear icon again, what I want you to do is again at the very top you'll find another option that says stream and download. So select stream and download, and again you'll find another option that says streaming quality. So select streaming quality. Now currently you can see that it is set to best. So if you want to reduce the video quality, you can set it to good or better, or you can set it to data saver. Depending upon your internet connection, the Prime Video app is going to automatically suggest and render you a particular resolution. You can also turn off the toggle next to use highest quality on Wi-Fi. What it says is that it is going to use the best quality possible whenever it's on Wi-Fi. After that, relatively, if you want to also change the download quality and reduce them, then select download quality, and currently it is set to best. I just like it in best because I have enough storage and I want the best quality possible. But you can set it to data saver or good, or you can select always ask, so that whenever you try to download something, Amazon is actually just going to ask you on what quality you would like to download it. And this is how you can reduce video quality on Amazon Prime. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.